This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Ray Bittrick. Looking for a house in the city that's convenient to everything? This home has 4 bedrooms, a separate living room, and a separate dining room, all in an easy-flowing floor plan. This home offers city living with a rustic feel in downtown Jackson. Currently zoned residential but located next door to a commercial zoned lot and across the street from commercial property, making for a possibility of rezoning for restricted commercial use. Within minutes of Lake Jackson, Indian Springs Village and State Park, High Falls State Park and Dauset Nature Trails offering an animal sanctuary plus hiking and riding trails. Also only minutes from I-75 halfway between Atlanta and Macon. Sold as is where is. No disclosure. For more information, review the details below or contact Ray Bittrick at 770-775-5714.